Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add shop button on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, simply go ahead and go to your Instagram app, then go to your profile at the bottom right corner, then go to edit profile from this section and make sure your profile is a professional or business account. Right, once you have done that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to edit profile again. You're going to go to connect or create. You can tap on connect or create a Facebook page, tap on continue, and you're gonna connect to a Facebook page which should be your seller page or your shop page. Right, once you have connected your Facebook page, then you're gonna go to Facebook Commerce Manager and set up a catalog of your products which will be sold from your shop or page that is in your Facebook. Right, afterwards you have to simply apply for shopping preview. You have to simply apply for shopping. For that, you just have to go to your once you have connected, go to your settings, go to business, and then you have to apply for shopping. You have to wait for it to be confirmed. Then later you're gonna have to come back to your edit profile section and you will find an action button right over here. Once you have tapped on the action button, you're going to simply go ahead and then turn on the shop button for that, and that's how you will be able to add a shop button on your Instagram like that. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.